Your gut contains roughly 38 trillion bacteria. That is more than the total number of human cells in your entire body. And right now, in real time, those bacteria are making decisions that affect your mood, your immune system, and your long-term health. Here is what your gut does over the course of a single day. Your digestive system never fully shuts down overnight, but in the early morning, it kicks back into gear. Your brain sends signals through the vagus nerve, a long nerve that connects your brain directly to your gut, telling it to prepare for incoming food. Your stomach starts producing acid. Your intestines begin gentle waves of muscle movement called peristalsis. The whole system is warming up. When you eat, food travels down the esophagus and enters the stomach. Here, powerful acid with a pH of around 1.5 to 3.5, similar to battery acid, begins breaking food down into a thick liquid called chyme. Protein gets broken apart. The stomach churns, contracts, and mixes everything together. This process takes 1 to 4 hours, depending on what you ate. Fat and protein take longer. Simple carbohydrates move faster. The chyme then moves into the small intestine, a 6-meter long tube folded tightly inside your abdomen. Here, enzymes from your pancreas and bile from your liver break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates into their smallest components: amino acids, fatty acids, and glucose. The lining of your small intestine is covered in tiny finger-like projections called villi. These dramatically increase the surface area available for absorption to about the size of a tennis court. Nutrients pass through the intestinal wall directly into your bloodstream. This is happening right now. While all of this is happening, your gut microbiome is at work. These trillions of bacteria ferment fiber that your body cannot digest on its own. They produce short-chain fatty acids that feed the cells lining your gut. They manufacture vitamins, including B12 and K2. They also communicate directly with your brain via the vagus nerve. About 90% of your body's serotonin, the mood-regulating chemical, is produced in your gut, not your brain. Your gut bacteria influence your mood, your stress response, your immune function, and even your cravings. Whatever your small intestine cannot absorb, mostly fiber and water, passes into the large intestine. Here, your body reclaims water, absorbing it back into the bloodstream. The remaining material is compacted into waste. Billions of bacteria continue fermenting, producing gas as a byproduct. This is completely normal and healthy. The whole transit from eating to elimination takes between 24 and 72 hours for most people, though this varies enormously. Throughout the day, your gut microbiome shifts in composition and activity based on what you have eaten. High-fiber meals feed beneficial bacteria and help them thrive. Processed foods, sugar, and alcohol can deplete them. By evening, your digestive activity slows. Your gut enters a maintenance cycle, repairing the intestinal lining, modulating immune responses, and preparing for tomorrow. In 24 hours, your gut has broken down food with powerful stomach acid, absorbed nutrients through 6 meters of small intestine, used trillions of bacteria to extract fiber, manufacture vitamins, and regulate your mood, reclaimed water in the large intestine, and kept your immune system, 70% of which lives in your gut, running properly, all without you thinking about it once. Feed it well. It is doing more for you than most organs ever get credit for. Follow for more. Every video, we go inside the body and show you what is really happening. If your body just surprised you, subscribe to Human Decoded. We do this every week.